Hello. They did have prepare for this message for everyone before we even start for the meal. Bago man po tayo makakain, marinig natin ang mensahe ng mag-asawa sa lahat ng mga dumalo.
Hello. Love, first of all, I want to thank you for loving me genuinely and without reservations. The universe saw me struggling, so it gave me a man who's really into me. A man who showed what real love is. You may not be perfect, but you are definitely the most amazing person I know. I promise to make the best out of life with you, in the good times and the bad times, regardless of what life throws us. I promise to help you grow as a person, and you don't need to succeed in all the things that you do. But the fact that you are trying is a great thing already. You are an answered prayer to me. Lagi kong sinasabi yan sa'yo. A prayer that I had spoken silently. God answered my prayer with you, and He even brought me someone far greater than I could ever imagine. May we honor God through our marriage and love our family. And despite the many compounded shortcomings that we will be facing as a couple, may we not get tired of trying to make things work. My dear husband, thank you for giving me this wedding, even if the only dream I had was to marry you.
Hello. Hello, hi love. Love, the first time I saw you, I already knew you were the one that God sent for me. To make everything easier, you always bring out the best in me. You give directions to my life. Today, I take my vow as your husband. I promise to love you unconditionally, through thick and thin, and in sickness and health. From the day forward, I will always priority you, your happiness and peace of mind. You are my one and only today and every day. Forever will start now, you and me against all the odds. I love you so much.